All right, just like that, we're back with yet again another update on XRP, really understanding what's happening with XRP right now and of course what we could be expecting going into Wednesday morning. Shout out to you guys, for showing so much love on these updates. At this point, I just have no more words left, to really show you guys how much your support means the world to me. I appreciate you guys. Thank you for all your support. But yeah, let's get right into it. If we're looking at the market, market is showing a little bit of relief, which is of course really nice to see. So going into Wednesday morning, you're seeing the broader market turning into the green right now. But we still need to be focusing very close on the price of Bitcoin before we can start, partying around. But, I think Bitcoin will end up hitting a new all-time high sooner rather than later. But of course, I'm sure no one's really complaining about this bounce that we're seeing right now. As far as XRP is concerned, down about 1.7% on the daily time frame, with the price currently sitting at $1.40. So it's able to make its way back above to that $1.40, which is of course really nice to see. And down about 1.7% as mentioned in USD, also down about 1.5% in Ethereum comparative. Market cap at $79.2 billion and the 24-hour trading volume still remaining above 10 billion, which is of course really nice to see. But before we get into any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer. Anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So look at this, guys. BlackRock's latest portfolio filing reveals owning 2.1 million shares of IBIT worth $77.3 million as of September the 30th, showing a significant increase from its previous 88,000 shares. Wow. Are we surprised? Big money's coming in, and it's coming in like never before. And I think this is just the start to what we're seeing right now happening as far as big money is concerned. But moving forward, the Trump administration and Republican Congress are expected to move forward two major crypto bills with minimal opposition. The stablecoin bill and the market structure bill equals regulatory clarity for crypto assets in the US. So you guys can see this for yourself. Market structure bill. This bill would provide regulatory certainty, by categorizing and regulating digital assets, which has been lacking and has driven many crypto firms to operate outside the US. Now, clear, consistent rules could foster innovation and attract new companies to the US market. And I'm sure Donald Trump is going to be focusing a lot on this. Reason why I think that is because he said it publicly. He does not want, companies to be going abroad. He wants the United States of America to be the crypto hub. So of course, when this happens, innovation increases, more developers, more companies, leaning forward, towards the U.S. and actually staying within, the United States rather than going abroad. And that can, of course, benefit not only the company itself, but also, the economy. So very, very big stuff happening. And, moving forward, speaking about that, Trump's upcoming U.S. regulatory change that will redefine the crypto market. And you can see this for yourself. Stablecoin legislation. Of course, the stablecoin bill's likely passage could reduce risks surrounding stablecoin issuance and operation, making stablecoins a reliable tool in financial transactions and reducing investors' volatility concerns. So we know about this, and this is where RLUSD can shine. And once RLUSD gets their regulatory clarity, I think RLUSD could take a major chunk of the stablecoin market. Banking restriction reversal, and this is something we've discussed on the channel. This is something I'm beyond excited about. You can see under Biden, efforts to allow banks to hold cryptocurrency assets faced vetoes. Trump's support for bank custody of digital assets could represent a new milestone in crypto adoption, enabling banks to manage crypto assets for clients and spurring mainstream access to cryptocurrencies. And this is something I spoke to you guys about literally in our update yesterday. This would be a massive game changer. You are seeing a lot of these big banks hesitant when it comes to crypto markets. When you talk about digital assets with these banks, they just kind of freeze up. And I've seen that happen firsthand. And I'm sure anyone that's been in this crypto space, if you were to go with any major bank, especially in North America, I can't really comment outside of North America, but I've seen it here in North America, both in Canada and the US, because I've been on both ends. And yeah, guys, you are seeing when you bring up crypto, it's just like they freeze. They act like, you're just talking about something absolutely crazy. But this will change the game, and this could really trigger something that we have never, seen before. So Yeah, let's move forward. And when banks get involved, do you not think banks are going to be looking forward for these assets as well? There we have it. Strategic National Bitcoin Stockpile. Trump's proposed creation of Strategic National Bitcoin Stockpile is a groundbreaking step that could influence global financial strategies. This move would strengthen Bitcoin reputation as a digital gold and a hedge against inflation, potentially leading other countries to follow suit. Exactly what we projected. This could also cause other countries to follow, which could mean national governments would be acquiring Bitcoin. Exactly what we've been speaking about on the channel. And yeah, you can really see how much excitement this could bring towards the crypto space, and how, this time around, we're actually shifting away from the wild, wild west of crypto to actually, a reality, a mainstream. Because of course, shout out to my OGs here. Of course, shout out to the new people coming as well. But all the OGs can relate. If you kind of go back, crypto was known for as the wild, wild west, and here we are, complete landscape shift that's occurring, which we used to talk about back in the day, and people used to laugh at us, and I'm sure not a lot of people are laughing, especially the big players now. But yeah, let's move forward, guys. You can see Jack Claver says this: Ripple is expanding its influence with the introduction of the RLUSD stablecoin. So speaking about stablecoin, RLUSD will be on the New York Department of Financial Services and EU MiCA green list. It's setting a new standard for regulatory compliance in stablecoins and bringing liquidity to the XRP ledger. Exactly what we spoke about on this channel day in, day out. The RLUSD stablecoin will initially be available through major global exchanges, including Uphold, Bitstamp, Bitso, and MoonPay. This wide distributed network signals Ripple's commitment to becoming a major player in the $172 billion stablecoin market. While XRP acts as a bridge currency on the XRP ledger, RLUSD serves as a different purpose. It's designed to provide a one-to-one ratio of USD-based assets that will enhance liquidity available with a trusted partner on the XRP ledger. Ripple commitment to compliance is evident in their advisory board, which includes the former FDIC chair Sheila and former Center Consortium CEO David Puth. This level of expertise helps ensure RLUSD maintains the highest regulatory standards. Exactly what we've been speaking about. That's their main focus, and this can really be positive for RLUSD in terms of taking the stablecoin market. But shout out to Stuart. This is quite interesting to see. So SEC posted this on November 25th. We announced that the SEC filed 538 total enforcement actions in fiscal year of 2024, all obtaining order of $8.2 billion in financial remedies, the highest amount in SEC history. And this is what Stewart says. The SEC bragging about the record fines collected is like a professor boasting about their highest ever class failure rate and the most cheating scandals. It's not a measure of success. It's an indictment of oversight gone terribly wrong, driven by perverse incentives. And we know about that. We don't even want to get started on that specific thing. But let's move over and take a look at what's happening with the price right now and what we could be expecting going into Wednesday morning. So, dominance is still sitting low, 58.57%, not budging, which is really nice to see. Bitcoin, on the other hand, has seen a little bit of a rally within its price, of course, after retesting that $90,700 price point. Bitcoin is picking up traction right now, which of course is really, really nice to see. If you're looking at XRP right now, XRP is obviously bouncing back above to the likes of $1.40, which I know a lot of people are not going to like because of course people were expecting the price to drop below this key support line, which it never ended up happening right now because Bitcoin did see a reversal. So the haters are going to hate no matter what, but we cannot ignore, and I will continuously remind you guys cannot be ignoring the way XRP price is holding despite what the market is showing us right now. So if you were to take a look at it from this point of view, you can really look that XRP's price is holding really, really good, and we did not drop below the support at the $1.25, which a lot of haters wanted to see happen, but here we are, not happening, and yet again the price is approaching $1.41, and obviously this resistance around the $1.42, if that's able to break out, I think we could reclaim back above where we were trading just yesterday. Literally just the day before yesterday, on the 25th, we could actually reclaim back above $1.50 sooner than a lot of people think. And like I said, will leave a lot of people speechless. And that is a move of 10%. So obviously, if Bitcoin was able to make its way back above, $96,000, that's a level that I'm looking at. That's a confirmation for myself. If we're able to make our way back above there, I would be confident. You could see XRP starting to make its move back quite fast. But we cannot be ignoring what's happening across the board. Thank you for all your support. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. And yeah, I appreciate you guys as always. We'll see you later. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.